Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I am going to show you how to enter one-time boot menu on this laptop. To do that, power your PC on by pressing the power button once and then immediately start pressing escape button repeatedly until you see the boot menu on your screen. And here, using your touchpad, you can select one of the boot options. You can also use your arrow keys up and down to select and enter to confirm. I'm gonna select the Windows Manager, and this way my PC will boot into Windows. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.